In a glittering lunar arena, a photon toaster faces a hungry black hole in a culinary duel that will decide the galaxy's next snack. The toaster emits crisp, radiant slices while the black hole tugs at light and dust, turning orbit debris into garnish. Chefs in spacesuits chant as the timer ticks, revealing a nebula cheesecake that feeds on starlight and gravity. A smart home console analyzes flavor profiles, syncing temperature and tidal forces to balance texture and taste. When the final bite vanishes, the crowd cheers and the arena dims, promising more extraordinary cosmic kitchen duels.